The nervous system. We can learn about the world around us through our senses. Taste, sight, hearing, smell, and touch. But this happens just because the signals picked up by our eyes, ears, nose, mouth and reach our brain. We can relate to the outside world thanks to the nervous system, receive its messages, develop appropriate responses and regulates everything in our body. The involuntary vital functions and the voluntary ones. The nervous system is formed by the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is formed by the encephalo and the spinal cord. The encephalo is located in the skull and it's formed by the cerebrum, the cerebellum and the brain stem. Our cerebrum is divided into two hemispheres, right and left, and it's protected by three membranes, the meninges. The cerebellum coordinates the movement such as those required for walking, drawing, playing a musical instrument. The brain stem regulates the involuntary vital function such as the digestion, the respiration. The cerebrum controls our senses, the imagination and the food, the ideas, food and words are formed here. The spinal cord. All others arriving to the various parts of the body start from the encephalon. The spinal cord is contained in the spinal canal and it's connected to the encephalon. The spinal cord is 45 cm long and from it all spinal nerves and different parts of the body start. The spinal cord is protected by three membranes called meninges, the pia mater, arachnoide and dura mater. It's constituted by an inner part formed by gray matter shaped like a butterfly. The other part is composed of white matter from which the spinal nerves start. The peripheral nervous system. It's formed by the nerves that start from the central nervous system and reach the various parts of the body. The nerves that start from the encephalo are called cranial nerves and those start from the spinal cord are called spinal nerves. We have two types of nerves, sensory nerves and motor nerves. The sensory nerves are those carrying the message from our senses organs to brain. The brain processes these messages and gives the responses. The neurons. The cells that form the nervous system are called neurons. Which connects a core and various extentations. These extentations are of two types, the dendrites and the axon. The axon is coated with a substance, the myelin. The dendrites receive impulses from other neurons, while the axon transmits the same impulses to the dendrites of other neurons. The nerve impulse is transmitted in this way from the axon of a neuron to the dendrites of another one. The points where the axon and dendrites meet is the synapse. In this way, they form a sort of network through which the electronic impulse is traveling.